Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a basic tutorial on how to equip rod skin in Fish Game Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. I just got the studded rod skin from the classic event quest. I got this studded rod and I'm going to show you how we can equip the rod skin. First thing first, you can go to your items menu and go to the rods category, and you can scroll all the way right and you will see the rod skin right here, and you can click on equip skin. And as you can see that the rod skin has been applied or has been equipped. And if you want to unequip, just go back to the same menu, go to items and go to the rods and scroll all the way to the right and tap on unequip skin. Okay, just like this. Okay guys, and that's how we can equip rod skin in Fish Game Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.